Now, we are multiplying sum and difference of two cubes. First, multiply 3b to 9b square. 27b cubed. Second, multiply 3b to negative 6b. Negative 18b square. And third, multiply 3b to 4 equals positive 12b. Next, multiply 2 to 9b square equals positive 18b square. Next, second, multiply positive 2 to negative 6b equals negative 12b. The last one, multiply 2 to negative 4 equals positive 8. If there was a same variable, just add or multiply or subtract. Like 18b squared and negative 18b squared. Close out it. And next, positive 12b and negative 12b. Cross it. And the answer is 27b cubed positive 8. And this is the final answer.